Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let's thank God to Almighty who has been giving us His mercy and blessing till we attend this meeting without any obstacle in this good place and time. My salawat and salam always be with our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Please be upon him. My name is Sabila Khairunisa and my partner is Ropiani. Here we will debate the topic of why cigarettes should be obliged. From the pro team is myself, Sabila Khairunisa, and the contra team is Ropiani. So let's get started. In my opinion, that smoking is very dangerous for humans because smoking will rob most of the oxygen in the blood circulation, which goes to important body organs such as the liver, heart, and lungs. Automatically, this will weaken the cardiovascular system so that it affects the performance of the body muscle. According to a report from the Surgeon General, states that chemical present in tobacco smoke will causes inflammation and causes damage to white blood cells that function as the body immune. Smoking not only poses healthy hazards for those who smoke it, but it turns out that smoking can also cause dangers that we have never imagined. Therefore, do not hesitate to try to stop the addiction from smoking. In Indonesia, advertising and promotion of cigarettes is very free and massive. The public and the government are very permissive towards smokers, so that although smoking in some areas and public transportation is prohibited by local regulation, smokers are still free to spit or cigarettes smoke anywhere. Being in a public place is okay for us to smoke in public place, but we also have to know the situation so that later it won't harm the people around it. Thank you. The next is contra team.
Okay, thank you, Sabila. I am Rofiani here as a contra tip. The dangers of smoking for health are not only for smokers, but also for people around because of the impact of cigarette smoke or referring to a passive smoking. People who smoke might not know about the meaning of the danger of smoking or read it as understand it, but it's difficult to stop smoking because it is addictive. For the smoker, smoking is commonplace. If a day without smoking, their mouth feels so or an unpleasant. There seems to be some kind of demand from the nicotine content in the blood that order the brain to balance the nicotine content. So if the nicotine content is less, it will sound desperate to find cigarette. Even if it's midnight, if you feel you need a cigarette, you will immediately leave the house looking for it. That is known that there are many chemicals that are toxic in nature contained in a cigarette that is smoked. Carbon monoxide, nicotine, tar, hydrogen, cyanide, benzene, formaldehyde, and a cigarette that is smoked contains 400 type of chemical compound. Tar is a particular residue contained in cigarette smoke. It is not a single chemical, but rather a mixture of separate thousand constituents of the smoke. Tar is measured in the laboratory by trapping the particle in a filter and then reducing the water and nicotine. Smokers have a 2 or 4 times risk for coronary heart disease and a higher risk for lung cancer, in addition to other preventable, non-communicable diseases. Lung disease is the first risk as a result of smoking because cigarette smoke enter the lungs and then the component in cigarette smoke enter the bloodstream. Cigarette smoke is inhaled and enter the lungs, causing the lung to experience inflammation, bronchitis, pneumonia. Then the danger of nicotine substance that can cause damage the cell in the lung which can be fatal, namely lung cancer. The danger of smoking for adult heart is that it can lead to impotence. The danger of smoking for health also have a risk for the stomach because cigarette smoke that enters the digestive system through the bloodstream will cause an increase in stomach acid. If this happens continuously as happen in smoker, then the risk of becoming a more chronic disease of the stomach, such as peptic ulcer that are difficult to treat. Smokers also have a risk of suffering a stroke due to the influence of chemicals such as nicotine, tar, carbon monoxide, and oxidant gases in cigarette can cause weakening of blood vessels. This is a risk of stroke even though there is no history of high blood pressure or other stroke-causing diseases. That's my opinion about the dangers of smoking for health. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Once again, in my opinion, even though there are no smoking sign in some area, many people often ignore the ban. The number of violations forced the government to impose section in law number 36 of 2009 concerning healthy. It is stated that any who intentionally violates a smoking-free area will be subject to a maximum fine of 50 million. Sanction can also be given to the person in charge of the place who does not have a commitment, does not make sign, or sign does not forbid supervision and allows people to smoke in smoking areas. The sanctions are written warning, the mention of the name of the place of activity or place of business openly to the public is carried or through the mass media. Temporary suspension of activities or business at the place. Lengthy reproduction. Although cigarette packs have stated that smoking is dangerous, in fact, the number of smokers in Indonesia is quite high. Cigarettes are still never empty of buyers. Therefore, some people use it to open a cigarette considered as an easy way to make money. With very little capital, even without slightest capital, the result will be multiplied. opening a cigarette business, you must know the cigarette business tax because the cigarette tax is one of the major contributor to state revenue. As one of the state revenue, the cigarette business tax, including cigarette tax and cigarette excise, acts as one of the pillars of state revenue from the real sector. This is what makes cigarettes an object of consumption, which on the one hand has a positive effect on state financing. However, on the other hand, it has a negative impact that is harmful to health. It can be concluded that cigarettes can improve the economy, especially in Indonesia. And I think that cigarettes are allowed or legalized in Indonesia to improve the economy. Next.
Okay, Sabila. The danger of smoking for adulthood is that it can lead to impotence. Cases like this have been experienced by many smokers. This is caused by the content of toxic chemical that can reduce sperm production in men. Even the next risk is in men can also occur in the testicular cancer. Likewise, in women who smoke, the consequences of smoking can also reduce the level of family fertility. The danger of smoking for health also have a risk for the stomach because cigarette smoke that enter the digestive system through the bloodstream will cause an increase in stomach acid. Lung disease in the first place as a result of smoking because cigarette smoke enter the lungs and the component in cigarette smoker enter the bloodstream. Thank you.
So many of us, more or less, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.